Hey there, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Hey there, crypto friends, how are we doing out there? It is Wednesday, July 21st, 7 p.m. Eastern Time, 6 p.m. Central. Hope you're having a good day out there. We are in a sea of green, the way we like it. And I hope you got to catch the B-Word conference that came out today with Mr. Musk and Cathie Wood, Jack Dorsey's really, really good stuff. If you missed it, I did stream that live, and you can catch that over there. I do think I have that yes, I do. In the chat right there, you see the link, and it is timestamped, so you can go straight to that main discussion with Elon Musk and Cathie Wood, Jack Dorsey, and the kid from Square Crypto. Really worthwhile listening to, very positive and good for the crypto space. I think you'll enjoy it. So hop on over there, give it a like. Appreciate it if you would do that. Meanwhile, let's have a look at the price for today. Big green day across the board. Bitcoin was up 7.66%. As you can see, we did get all the way up to the 32,828 and kind of rejected off of that 100-day moving average, but the bulls are having another go at it. So let's have a look at support and resistance. So we're looking at support at the 31,803.70, and resistance right now is 32,237.59. RSI is still in good shape. Here, as you can see, we're about the 60 mark for RSI. And let's have a look at Ethereum, ETH/USD. Ethereum having a really good day. It's up 10.83% as we speak. You see, rejected off that 100-day, just like most of the others here. We won't do it on every single name. But keep that in mind, that is an obstacle for us to overcome if you are bullish biased, like myself. So we're looking up there at the 1995.06, or roughly that $2,000 mark, round psychological number. And support down at the 1929.38. And as you can see, I've set this stop loss just beneath, right in between the 12 and the 26 back here in this heavy price action. Just in case, because we are active in this trade. We did get in down here. I think it was right around the 1827.25 is where we entered. On to Binance Coin, BNB USD up 9.32%. We're looking at resistance 291.308 and support now. We can massage that on up there where it belongs at the 283.88. RSI dead center. And volume okay, just above average. On to Cardano ADA USD up 10.44%. So it's having a really good day. Excuse me. So we're looking at support to hold up at the 1.1458 and resistance up there at the 1.184. And let's see, any other thing we could do? Yeah, we're going to massage this stop loss just beneath that 26-day moving average. And moving on to DOT USD, that is the PolkaDot. And let's see, I'll try not to say and again. If you do hear me say and, you have to do a shot. That is a crypto happy hour requirement. So we're looking at support at the 12.099 and resistance up at the 12.5497. Got some running room up here. We get through all this heavy duty consolidation here, so watch out for that. Big, massive volume here on the PolkaDot for today. Above average. On to the Doge. Doge had a good day. If you managed to get in there, got all the way into our sell target, so we got in down here and got out as we approached this the 100-day moving average. That was our exit. And Doge did get all the way up to 0.2142. So now we're looking at resistance down there at the 0.1917 and support at the 0.1850. And let's go on. Oh, I said and. Okay, shot time. Everybody do a shot. Okay, thank you. LTC USD. That's the Litecoin. So we're looking at support sitting right on top of that 26-day moving average now. 115.18 USD and 119.57 is your resistance level to watch out for, as you can see right there. Moving on, let's fix that stop loss though. Let's get that dude on up there just beneath that support level. And let's head on over to LINK USD. Chainlink up 10.29%. Having a good day as well. So we're looking at support 14.41702 and resistance up there at the 15.403. Volume starting to trail off a little bit, so keep an eye out for that as we move on to Stellar XLM USD up 8.12%. Let's have a look here. So they've got resistance now at the 0.23285 and support sitting right on that 12-day move. I'm sorry, the 26-day moving average. Sorry, the allergies are getting me today. And support at the 0.2214. On to Vechain, VET USD. That one's up 13.28%. So nice run up here for Vechain. And we're on top of that 26-day moving average. Still looking at 0.0672 resistance. And your support level just above that average at 0.0637. On to FIL USD, 12.57% up tick for today. Got resistance at the 46.97, so almost that $47 mark. That would be my bogey to watch out for as resistance, and 45.4418 support. Onward and upward to STORJ, and I should say downward because it's only up 6.3, a mere pure 6.32%, which is a massive gain for a day trader in these days and times. So we're looking at resistance at the 0.7594 and support on top of that 12-day moving average at the 0.72996. Heading on over to IOTA, Internet of Things. IOTA up 9.11%, and we've got support 0.62811 and resistance now at the 0.6474. On to COMP USD, COMP is the ticker. So we're looking now at support to hold. There we go. Even better right there on that previous low. Looking left always, right? So we're looking at 371.332 support, and now our resistance level very close by 380.049. And let's move on. The BAT, basic attention coin. So we're looking at resistance at the 0.4996. So that's the 0.50 you're looking for. Resistance, and the support at the 0.4845. So tight range here. BAT not moving as much as some of the other names. So very light volume. So let's move on to ETC USD. That's Ethereum Classic. 43.381 is your resistance level, and we're going to hang on to, nope, we're going to move it on up. There's our previous low at the 42.031. Let's move on to MANA USDC. That's MANA. It's up 10.54% for the day. Up there at the 0.5860 resistance. And your support level is at the 0.5590. On to ZIL, ZIL, USD. New support level. Moving it on up to 0.057. And let's get that resistance down there where it belongs. There it is. Resistance at the 0.0595. On to NU USD, up 8.31%. Not much movement here on this particular name for the day. So moving up to support at the 0.18961 and resistance close by 0.1941, 1941. On to NMR USD. Extremely quiet here in NMR land. And we are looking at our support level, if we can grab it, now at the 30.601, and resistance remains 31.363. As we are approaching this 100-day moving average here, folks. So watch out for that rascal. We've had one, two, shot through it, but couldn't close above. So 4 or 5 chances to get through there. Let's see if folks can buy it on up through. So let's get that stop up there where it goes. We'll stick it right in the middle of those two moving averages, the 12 and the 26. On to the graph token, GRT USD. And I will show you really quick. Let's pop over here to the Grayscale Crypto Trust that they're putting together. Look at all these double-digit gains here. That tells you something. There's accumulation going on. And these are all the tickers that are going into that trust. I will mention that I think it's 58%. I have to double check that, but most of it is from Uniswap, USD. Just wanted to show you that. To keep that in mind, let's move on to GRT USD. The graph token up 12.20%. We have a new support level, the 0.5452, and resistance now up there. Let's leave it at there. We still got to get through there. We shot above there, but could not hold, so we're looking at 0.5601. Now we're talking about Uniswap UNI USD. So we are looking up there, yep. We have resistance 16.620 and support right there on the double bottom. Well, that's more than a double. We got lots of support in that region at the 16.131 to lean back on as we make our way into the buy target. Looking now at AAVE USD, up 14.40% just for the day. So that's actually going to be, if you hit the bottom down there, if you're somewhere down there, that's going to be from top to bottom, that's 23%. So pretty good gain there, run up for AAVE USD. Let's get that support up to 248.645. And still holding, trying to break through. Actually, we did break through that resistance level there. So we're looking now at the 257.771. Looking down at the RSI, still in good shape and some room to run. Moving on to MKR USD. Looking pretty good there, except we have a double top, pow right there. And resistance 2443.70 and support right there close by 2385.720. On to MATIC. Been tooting that horn all day today. MATIC had a really nice run up. I'll show you with the ruler. If you got the bottom to the top, that would have been a 55%er right there. So that's a pretty darn good movement for MATIC. So we are looking at support now to hold up at the 0.8406. And let's get that resistance up there. As you can see right now, we are testing that 0.8895 and the next level close by at the 0.902. So watch for that $1 once we get up there. It's sitting, yeah, it's just above that 100-day moving average. So we got a little bit of work to do for MATIC. On to SOL USD. Resistance 27.094 And support very close by, 26.2182. How are we doing out there? We're doing okay with time. We'll keep on trucking. Heading on into NFTs. And 0.9653 resistance for audio. It's up 12.96% for today. So not too shabby there for audio. And we're looking at support 0.9120. And don't want to move that. Lots of stuff to grab here. Let's just keep it just below that 12-day moving average for our stop loss. On to CHZ USD, the cheese of all cheese. So we're looking at 0.2226 support. And resistance now, we're trying to get back up through. Right now we're testing that current price, but if we get through that, the 0.2300. On to Theta. Theta up 19.90. Been tuned that horn as well. So we're looking at support at the 4.1998. And resistance now at the, whoops, just barely missed it. We are point, God, I'm used to saying point. That's another shot. Do a shot really quick. 4.487 if I say point or and. On to ENJB USD. So we are looking at 1.0690 for support and resistance right there. Trying to get above that 26-day moving average. Let's see if more volume will come in here. We're just slightly underneath the average at 1.1180. Harmony 1, ONE USD. Not much movement in here, so we're at the 0.0621. You get an excuse for not taking a shot on that. That's actually the number. And 0.06, where are we at here? There we go. 0.0651 resistance. So very tight range as usual here for Harmony 1. Up 12.30%. On to PAXG USDT. This one's paired to gold, and you can actually trade this bad boy on, even you can trade it on Tastyworks for you folks out there. And we have support at the 1805.90 and resistance now 1811.69. Let's move on to SHIB. Lots of folks still hanging on to that promise. So we're looking at support at the 0.50 and a 635, and resistance still remains right there close by 50, 5 zeros and a 663. So heading on over to Bitcoin dominance, that's BTC.D. And what we're looking here for is a percentage of Bitcoin crypto market cap as compared to the total crypto market cap. So BTC.D is 46.49%, slightly down 0.5%. And I'll wager, yes, I'm right. The rest belongs to Ethereum, is gaining. Ethereum up 2.42%, so it's up to 17.87. And let's see how Doge is doing. Doge is up 2%, so it's up to 1.90. So we're looking for that 2% mark again. That's usually when Doge is pretty healthy. And let's round up here with a total crypto market cap, $1,295 billion. So we're up close to 8.5% for the day. And looks like from the bottom, we're up about oops, didn't grab it all. It got all the way up to a 13 to 14% increase into the space, which is good to hear. Well, folks, that just about does it for me. If you're out there on YouTube, I would appreciate you hitting that like button. I see you out there. Doesn't cost you anything. It is free 99. And also, I urge you to check out that conference with Elon Musk, Cathie Wood, Jack Dorsey, and a lot of others. And you can catch that over there in the chat. You'll see a link for that. And I do have the time code pointing to that particular conversation if you want to just cut right through and get to the good stuff. There's some really good points in there, and I think it shows the commitment and the direction that these big names in the financial world are moving towards. The Bitcoin and others as well, Ethereum, Doge, quite a few others. So check it out. And folks, I'm out of here. I will see you in the morning, the Crypto Morning Show. Have a good one.